welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve these bomb dramatic voluminous lashes right in the comfort of your own home. So if you're interested in how you do DIY extensions so you can stop paying people and do it yourself and save money and still look cute, babe, keep on watching the video. So for the DIY lash extensions, you are going to need some tweezers, like some lash extension tweezers, some lashes. This is optional. This is actually what I use for my clients for makeup, but it's perfect to like dry the lashes. This is the Ardell LashTite dark adhesive. I got it from the beauty supply. I don't remember how much it was. I think like $7, something like that. Sally's, that's where I got it from. Enough talking, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so you take just a couple like this and you pull it up just like that, and then you're left with this, and I just pinch this together, and then you just move the tweezers like at the base of them. Just shimmy it just like this. I'm just like wiggling it until it gets like this. After you like shimmy it out, it'll look like this, just like that, fanned out. Then you want to get the glue and just dip it. So I am going to finish the ends of these and then I'll come back to show y'all. Okay, so I did this end and it's pretty full. You want to take like a spoolie, or if you got like an eyebrow pencil, just take the other end and just kind of like brush through them, just making sure everything is separated and just fluffed out. So I like the thickness of this, and now I'm about to move towards like this section from here out. So this is 16, I'm gonna do 14, and I got 13 and 10, but honestly I think I'm gonna do just 16, 14, and then 13 in the inner corners. Okay, so I'm back. One eye is done. As you can see, look at the major difference. It turned out really cute. I like it. And I just make sure, like, I got my fan like this, and I'm just going through and just like brushing them. Making sure it's full where I want. So yeah, I really like it. So that's really how I do it. You can see from the bottom how it's close to my lash line. Oh, I'm so greasy. Jesus. Okay, but you can see from under my eye, how it's close to my lash line, but it's not touching it. But this is how I look when I look down. So yeah, it's really cute, really cute. You can do bottoms if you want to. I don't be doing bottoms, but you could to jazz it up. Just look at the difference. Like, okay, she's cute. Okay, she's super cute. So I'm about to do the other eye, do the same method. Oh, I did want to tell you, I ended up doing 16, 14 in the middle, and then 11 in the inner corner. So 16, 14, 11. All right, y'all, I am back. I just did this eye off camera, and then I did my makeup. I really love how these lashes turned out. They are so freaking cute and dramatic, but still simple in my opinion. If you like this video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up. Leave in the comments below what other videos y'all would want to see. I am going to record like an everyday makeup look like I did today. But yeah, I'm really feeling myself because like I just feel like so cute, and just like I save money too, like at least $100 for sure I saved. But yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm bougie. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for